Hello friends, welcome to Madhu's Cooking Studio and Vlogs. Today I'm going to give a quick and easy 1-minute peanut chutney. Now, ingredients which I'm using for peanut chutney. 150 grams of roasted groundnut, 2 tablespoons of scraped coconut, 2 small pieces of ginger, 2 pieces of garlic and a small piece of tamarind, little bit of curry leaves and 4 dried red chilies and salt to taste. Now I'm just going to add 1 small spoon of oil to the pan. Now I'm adding ginger, then garlic, dry red chilies, then little bit of curry leaves and coconuts. Just fry these for a short period of time and then we can grind it. Add all these groundnuts to the mixie jar. Now I am adding all the other fried ingredients to the jar and then the salt whichever is required. Now the chutney is ready. So you can grind it coarsely. Now I am just going to season it. Just add a quarter spoon of oil, then I'm just adding a quarter spoon of mustard seeds. Now add red chilies, then little bit of curry leaves and finally 2 pinches of Asafoetida. Now the peanut chutney is ready. Please grind it coarsely. If you grind it well, the taste won't be good. So try it at home. Benefits of peanuts. It's a great blend of healthy fats, proteins and fiber that curbs your appetite, lowers the risk of heart disease and regulates blood glucose levels. Peanuts contain 13 different vitamins including A, B, C and E groups, 26 essential minerals like iron and calcium, zinc and boron. Low on salt, groundnuts also act as a natural hunger suppressant as it's loaded with good fats. If you like this video, do like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. So stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching.